Hey everyone, welcome back for day 4 of my advent calendar sent to me by Lozzie Creates, which you guys should go follow her. I've been putting her link down in the description. She does a lot of cool crafts and openings and journaling, so go check her out as well. But I did take a look and kind of cheated and read the clue already. It says, be careful when you do this or I will need to ready the you-know-what counter again. So I kind of have an idea of what's in here. It's a needle felting kit, I believe. So, let's see if I'm right or insanely wrong. I think I am correct. So, I love this paper. I've been trying not to, like, rip it too bad, but there's no way. Okay. I am right. Let's see what it is. It's a Christmas tree! Okay, definitely have to do this on my channel. I only got, what, 21 days left, so make sure you're following me on Twitch, which is linked below, so you can see when I make this. I was planning on doing a craft stream later over on my Twitch channel, like today, so you might see it today. Who knows? So Lozzie, prepare the you-know-what counter, because, yeah, you'll be seeing it pretty soon. Thanks again, guys. Thank you, Lozzie. I appreciate you very much. And stay tuned, because we still have, like, 21 more days to go. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.